Hi, I'm Cameron Murray, and this is my introductory video and Module 1 Digital Citizenship video. So I am a teacher, a German teacher, and I'll get into that in a little bit. I'm also a photographer, and I love to travel, so I consider myself a traveler. The photo on the right, that's a picture of me and my girlfriend with whom I've been for 9 years this July, so I'm pretty proud of that. On the left side, that's a picture that I took. These are all pictures that I took, actually, but that's a hummingbird. I have a picture of a waterfall, and then that bottom right picture is a picture from Italy to represent my traveling experience and love for traveling. On the right, again, Germany, so again, traveling. Top left is a picture that I took of the Perseid meteor shower, so again, I love nature. I love to photograph whatever I can. And then the bottom left, that's a picture of me with my German host family. And I've been friends with them since 2009. I am a graduate of the Pennsylvania State University. I have my Bachelor of Science from them in the World Language Education German option. I also have my minor from there in International Studies. I am a German teacher for grades 9 through 12 at the Red Lion Area Senior High School. I'm entering year 5 of my teaching career there, and I teach levels 1 through 4 of German. This is also my alma mater, so it's kind of cool to be back in the high school that I once went to. To start off my film review, I took a look at Out of Your Hands. Brief overview. There's a girl in the video, and she's kind of laying in bed, gets a text message, and she's asked to send a hot pic to some guy. The video is pretty neat because it allows you to choose what her decision will be, so you can say yes or no to that, and then that links you to another video. All in all, it results in the wrong people seeing the photo, whether or not you choose yes or no, because it has to show you what would happen even if you hit no and said don't send the photo. The ISTE categories, when I went through these, I think respect was probably the most shortchanged category. So digital access wasn't in the video at all. Digital law wasn't either. As far as digital etiquette went, it wasn't really in the video, but I feel like it could be taught through the video. As far as asking the question, what inappropriate use of technology took place, and that's a question that you could pose to your students and then kind of get them to talk about that, maybe supplement it with some other videos or lessons. The second category, educate, this one was a little stronger. The digital communication, I think the viewer having to make the decisions acting as the girl, I think that was pretty good for this category. It kind of got you thinking what's inappropriate or what's appropriate to send through text messages or other forms of technology. And the boys also made some poor decisions in the video as well. As far as digital literacy goes, I don't think it's explicitly taught either, but it could be, again, taught through the video, especially because it's interactive and that form of technology allows you to do that. Digital commerce was not in the video at all. And then the last category of protect, digital rights and responsibility was not explicitly in the video, but it could be taught through the video. You could kind of get a discussion going with your students about how the girl has rights that could protect her from putting herself at harm. She doesn't have to send the picture. And then digital safety and security. These weren't taught in the video either, but could possibly be taught from the instance where a stranger or pedophile receives the photo of the girl, which is kind of the ultimate result of her sending the photo to the boy who asked for the photo. And lastly, digital health and wellness was not taught in the video. So I feel like the strongest category was probably the educate category of ISTE. And in summary, I think if you're going to show this video, you should definitely supplement it with other videos and lessons. It does do a nice job of showing a few points regarding safety and appropriate digital technology use, but it's missing too many elements to be considered sufficient for CIPA. Overall, I would use this to teach safety and appropriate use, but again, would supplement it with other things to really help my students become digital citizens. And in summary, I give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.